Nice, cute.
Thank you. There should be a set of rapids between us and the lake. It was named on the. It was mentioned on the DeLorme.
Oh yeah. Well, I know it's
Or not on the DeLorme. I'm sorry, on the Topo, on the USGS.
right at the outlet of the lake. It's like
Or Bible Point Rapids.
oh, okay, yeah. Right at the outlet. Some real swifts. That might be fun. Might be worth just getting out and wading up that.